What if the ultimate flavor secret was not invented in a modern kitchen, but right here, 5th century ago? This is an ancient spice blend that Neapolis has kept alive for generations. The true secret to unforgettable history is the best kept recipe.
We're here in wonderful souk, traditional, spicy, a lot of type of spicy curcuma, piment, black piment, red piment, lochia, and we're here for some vegetable, dry vegetable. It's they use it for cooking. We have here garlic, olive, something salty. It's traditional. They use it when they cook or it like snack. Here it's harissa, traditional. Also, it's people they make it in the house with a fresh piment in the summer. Here we have onion, lemon, red piment, salty red piment. Here it's or and a lot of spicy. It's so wonderful soup, special, lot of things. So it's a wonderful view, a lot of color. Here it's a special harissa for omelette. Here some leaf, also salty olive and piment. It's carnival for snack food. So here it's sausage. It's a dry sausage with some leaf for cooking sauce, special sauce, Capsian. So it's. I hope it will be a nice visit. So let's see each other in the next time and next adventure for food.
Ba 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 ba